I'm delighted to present this publication, which gives details of activities and services and supports for older people throughout the county of Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown County Council. I hope that you will benefit from this information, but also that you will enjoy the publication, which has essays and poetry and puzzles.
I'm very pleased to be associated with the production of this age-friendly magazine that has been developed in cooperation with the Age Friendly Alliance.
As Creative Ireland Coordinator for Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown, we are very happy to support the publication of this magazine. This is the third year of the Age Friendly magazine, and it has grown from strength to strength each year.
Puicsús do Chópanish, available in every library throughout the county. Tasúlagam Gumwinishiv Tahnavas. Enjoy.
I'm John O'Neill and I'm a member of the Older People's Council. I'm also a member of the Irish Senior Citizens Parliament. I would just say pick up your copy. It's here in the council office.
I'm Eilish Hession. I'm a member of Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown Older Persons Council. If you wish to find out more information on this council, please do pick up a free copy of our age-friendly magazine.
They're available in all shopping centres and public places.
Garda Síochána is delighted to be here today supporting Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown County Council at the annual launch of their age-friendly magazine. Dún Laoghaire Community Policing will deliver the magazine to various locations around the county, such as our hospitals, churches and primary care centres.